In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Zoho Mail. Whether you're looking to upgrade your communication experience for personal use or want to enhance your business email system, transitioning from a free to a paid account with Zoho Mail is straightforward. First, let's start by signing into your Zoho Mail account. Depending on your needs, visit either mail.zoho.com. If you're handling business matters, or go to zoho.com/mail for personal use. Once there, you'll need to enter your email address and password, just as you normally would. If you've enabled two-factor authentication for added security, be prepared to complete that step as well. And if you're momentarily drawing a blank on your password, don't worry. There's a handy Forgot Password link right there to guide you through resetting it easily. Next, if you're currently using Zoho's Forever Free plan and are considering the benefits of upgrading, this part is crucial for you. Begin by logging in as the super admin. Now, this step is specific because only the super admin has the privileges needed to make account changes. Once logged in, find your profile picture in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on that, and you'll see the option to upgrade. This action will open up a guide to various plans offered by Zoho, specifically Mail Lite, Premium, and Workplace. These plans cater to different needs, whether you want basic email capabilities or more comprehensive features for productivity and collaboration. When you've selected the plan that best suits your needs, click on the upgrade option beneath it. It's important here to think about how many users or licenses you'll require, as your upgrade must stretch to cover all users attached to your account. Once that's set, Zoho will redirect you to their payments platform. Here, you'll want to decide between monthly or annual billing based on what's most convenient for your budget and business cycle. As an extra tip, be sure to take a peek at the pro rata pricing, which accounts for any mid-cycle changes or upgrades. Once you've made all these decisions, proceed to finalize the payment. Remember, investing in a paid Zoho Mail account not only elevates your email system with additional features and support, but enhances your overall communication efficiency. That's all there is to it. You're now well on your way to enjoying a robust email experience with Zoho Mail.